Thomas here with Munch Props, going to give you another how-to video. It is Fortnite Friday, so of course we are building something Fortnite related. I've been getting a lot of requests to build items from the game, and I'm slowly working my way through those requests. One of the things I wanted to kind of target in this build was a lot of you have been asking if I could build something not using EVA foam. I particularly like using the material because it's easy to sand and shape and cut, and it's lightweight, and I buy it in bulk, so it's relatively cheap. But I realize that not everybody has access to that, so I tried to pick an item that was relatively flat and easy shape, and we are going to build the stop pickaxe. But I'm going to use something similar to cardboard. I have some plastic corrugated sheets that I got with a package of acrylic. It was like the packaging material that was around it, so I'm going to use that to make the stop pickaxe from Fortnite. Let's get to building. Stop. We are finished. Overall, not too bad. I think it turned out pretty good. I realize I did end up using foam. I simply use this because in the pictures it looks like foam for the handles. You could use duct tape or cloth or even cardboard right here and wrap it around. Just make sure the lines of your corrugation are going long ways so that you can make that curve. I just thought it looked like it, so I might as well use the materials that I have. There are other few things that I kind of wanted to point out. I realized that these bolts aren't like the ones that are in the game. I was, once again, using stuff that I had. I couldn't find anything particular that I had that was along those lines. The fencing that I used kind of got a little wobbly after I took the back part and sanded it off. It's not too bad, but I wouldn't say this is a LARPing utensil by any means. I want to point out a reason that I like using EVA is I don't get a texture on it unless I want one. With cardboard or corrugated plastic or any of those materials like that, you always see these lines in your end result unless you cover it with some kind of Bondo or sealant or texture, and it's just extra work. Usually when I use cardboard, I'd have to plug in the corrugation lines with hot glue. It's just an extra step, an extra pain that you have to kind of work around, which is totally fine, but with EVA I would have just had to painted the edge. So maybe you will try and make a stop sign axe yourself and impress your friends and cross guards with your skills. So much so that they want one for their very own. Maybe you'll get some, and inevitably they're going to ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these, tell them, much props. Stop. No, don't. It's coming. Ah!